People are saying that Dispatch is finally talking about Jungkook and Jimin. We have people saying that Jungkook has been furious lately over the label and thus has taken action, and what action he has allegedly taken. And then we have Jungkook being attacked by Jimin fans, and what's going on with this? Recent events have sparked discussion about BTS members Jungkook, JK, and Jimin, particularly regarding trademark issues and fan reactions. The situation began when news broke about Jungkook's successful trademark registration with the Korean Intellectual Property Office. The trademark, filed in November 2023 and officially registered on February 11, 2025, relates to logos and symbols associated with his solo work. The trademark registration has generated significant attention and varying reactions within the fan community. Initially, the trademark was filed under both Jungkook's name and his label's name, but it was ultimately registered solely under Jungkook's name. This development led some fans to interpret it as a victory for Jungkook over alleged attempts by the label to sabotage him. However, this interpretation of events has been questioned by industry observers. The label's initial involvement in the trademark filing is described as standard industry practice rather than sabotage. Music labels typically seek ownership or partial ownership of intellectual property as part of their business model, offering artists resources, expertise, and financial support in exchange. While this arrangement may be controversial, it's a common trade-off artists accept for career advancement opportunities. The situation has also sparked tension between different fan groups. As Jungkook received increased media attention due to the trademark news, some Jimin fans expressed frustration, claiming their favorite member receives less promotional support from the label. They shared what they considered evidence of the label favoring Jungkook in social media promotion and coverage. This pattern of fan behavior isn't unique to Jimin's supporters. Similar complaints have been made by fans of other BTS members, including V, each claiming their preferred member is being overlooked. The timing of these complaints, emerging shortly after Jungkook's trending news, suggests they may be motivated more by desire for attention than genuine concerns about promotional inequality. The discussion has extended to speculation about Dispatch, a Korean media outlet known for revealing celebrity relationships. Since January, there have been rumors about potential relationship reveals involving BTS members. Some fans have interpreted Dispatch's photos of Jungkook and Jimin together at airports and in magazines as hints about a possible relationship announcement. However, this speculation is considered unlikely for several reasons. First, if Dispatch had such information, it would likely have been revealed during their traditional New Year's relationship announcements. Additionally, given South Korea's conservative stance on LGBTQ+ issues, such a revelation could have serious career implications. Entertainment companies would likely take legal action against unsubstantiated claims that could impact their artists' careers. Regarding promotional support for BTS members, it's important to understand how the entertainment industry operates. Success often depends on established relationships and reciprocal favors between industry players, such as publicists and show producers. An artist's individual popularity matters, but their team's industry connections and the label's influence play crucial roles in securing opportunities. The reaction to Jungkook's trademark registration highlights a common misconception about label-artist relationships. The notion that a label would intentionally sabotage its successful artists contradicts basic business logic, as this would directly harm the company's financial interests. Labels invest significantly in their artists' success and typically aim to maximize rather than hinder their potential. Some fans have criticized the length of time taken for the trademark registration from November 2023 to February 2025, but this timeline is not unusual for governmental administrative processes. The registration's completion represents a standard legal procedure rather than any particular victory or defeat for either party. The ongoing discussion reflects broader themes in fan culture, including competition between fan bases, interpretation of business decisions through an emotional lens, and the complex dynamics between artists, their management companies, and the media. While fans naturally advocate for their favorite artists, some of the narratives that emerge may oversimplify or misinterpret standard industry practices and business relationships. The situation also demonstrates how social media can amplify and sometimes distort fan reactions, turning routine business matters into perceived conflicts. This phenomenon is particularly notable in K-pop, where passionate fan bases closely monitor and react to developments involving their favorite artists.